Have you ever been curiously looked up to the sky and wondering how big is our solar system, where we stand it, and are we alone? Well, I am curious to know about that, and I am sure you are too. So today, I will take you to an interstellar tour of our solar system. But before we do, please make sure you have subscribed to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any further videos. Now let's begin our journey. This is our galaxy called Milky Way. All the stars we see in the night sky are in our own Milky Way galaxy. These stars form a large disk whose diameter is about 100,000 light years and aged about 13.5 billion years. Our solar system is about 25,000 light years away from the center of our galaxy. And this is our solar system. Our solar system consists of a star named the Sun, the planets. It includes the satellites of the planets, numerous comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and interplanetary medium, and it aged about 4.5 billion years. Center of our solar system, we have our own star, the Sun. The Sun is the largest object of our solar system with a radius of 696,340 kilometers. Roughly 1.3 million Earths can fit inside the Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It's a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma heated to incandescence by nuclear fusion reactions in its core, radiating the energy mainly as visible light and infrared radiation. It is by far the most important source of energy for life on Earth. Moving from the Sun, we have completed 57.9 million kilometers to reach our first planet, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. Its orbit around the Sun takes 88 Earth days and shortest of the Sun's planet. It has a radius of 2,439.7 kilometers, and Mercury has no moon. Mercury is not so lucky like Earth. Moving further from Mercury and traveled total of 108.2 million kilometers to reach our next planet, Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, as the brightest natural object in Earth's night sky after the Moon. Venus takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. In short, Venus takes only 225 days for a year, and its radius is 6,500.8 kilometers. Like Mercury, Venus has no moon. Moving from Venus, we have traveled 149.6 million kilometers so far to reach our home, Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor and support life. The only habitable planet in our solar system, Earth contains every form of life as we know, from little insects to humans. Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system, and it takes, we all know, 365 days to complete a year, a total radius of 6,371 kilometers, and a very cute moon. Moving from our home and traveled 227.9 million kilometers from the Sun, we have reached a planet that could be our future home, Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being larger than only Mercury. This planet is also known as a red planet. Mars has very thin atmosphere, one third of the Earth actually. Mars takes 687 Earth days to orbit the Sun. It has a radius of 3,389.5 kilometers, and Mars has two moons. So far, our journey has been really smooth, but now things are about to get scary as we reach to asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is a torus-shaped region in the solar system located roughly between the orbits of the planets Jupiter and Mars. It contains a great many solid irregularity shapes bodies of many sizes but much smaller than planets called asteroids or minor planets. After overcoming our first asteroid obstacles, traveled 778.5 million kilometers from the Sun, we have reached to the Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It's a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of our other planets in the solar system combined. Jupiter takes a mind-boggling 12 years to orbit the Sun. It has a radius of 69,911 kilometers and Jupiter has 79 moons. Leaving Jupiter and traveled 1.434 billion kilometers from Sun, we get to see another gas giant with beautiful rings, Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It's a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5 times that of Earth. And this is the most beautiful planet in our solar system, mainly because of its ring. Saturn ring is a combination of dust particles with many different shapes and sizes. It can be as small as dust to as big as mountains. Saturn takes 29 years to orbit the Sun and has a radius of 58,232 kilometers. If Jupiter has 79 moons, then Saturn has 3 more. Saturn has 82 moons. Traveling further 2.871 billion kilometers from the Sun, we have reached to the Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Its name is a reference to the Greek god of sky. Like Jupiter and Saturn, it's a gas giant too, and it has rings as well like Saturn, but not as big and thick compared to Saturn's ring. Uranus takes 84 years to orbit the Sun, has a radius of 25,362 kilometers, and Uranus has 27 moons. Moving further, and by the time we reach Neptune, leaving Uranus, we have traveled a staggering 4.495 million kilometers from Sun. Neptune is the eighth and farthest known solar planet from the Sun in the solar system and the coldest too. It is the fourth largest planet by diameter and third most massive planet and the densest giant planet. It's 17 times the mass of Earth. Neptune takes a mind-boggling 165 years to orbit the Sun. Radius of Neptune is 24,622 kilometers and Neptune has 14 moons. We have reached at the end of our solar system. We have reached so far that even sunlight can take 4 hours and 15 minutes to reach us. If you compare to Earth, light takes only 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth from the Sun. Wow, what a journey it was. Now I have to take a long nap to get back to Earth, so do you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video and post your valuable comments as your feedback so I can improve. That's it on this video. Bye bye.